Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deeply into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You will not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.52. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 1.22%. This equates to an average return of 0.41% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 3.22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 12.95% to positive 0.604%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to a change of around 41.66% over the coming year, with potential returns between 32.05% and 56.37%. This translates to a price range of approximately $322.82 to $382.28 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple reveals that it experienced a downturn on Tuesday, with a decline of a fraction of a percent. Specifically, the Apple stock price decreased by 0.0531% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025. It fell from $244.60 to $244.47. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.38%, with a low of $241.84 and a high of $245.18. Notably, the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an increase of 7.22% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume surged on the last day by 8 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 48 million shares were exchanged for approximately $11.77 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 6.01%, or $15.62, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned a buy rating to AAPL with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, Citigroup also assigned a buy rating to AAPL with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated AAPL as overweight with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on that Friday, KeyBank assigned an underweight rating to AAPL, also with a hold recommendation. Lastly, on that day, Cowen & Company gave AAPL a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During potential downward corrections, support is anticipated around $236.47 and $236.88. A decline below either of these levels would generate sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been noted, which might impact the short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 0.0531%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. It's advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. To discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has established support from accumulated volume at $236. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.34 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.38%. In the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 2.38%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $249.79. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $236. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of February 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider buy of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also conducted an insider sell of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On that same date, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider buy of 1,516 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2025, Ronald D. Sugar also sold 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On February 1, 2025, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider buy of 1,516 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.878. Overall, insiders purchased 1,796,930 shares and sold 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $237.48, reflecting a decrease of 2.86%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal due to a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive signals, yet we do not believe these are sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this moment. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, allowing for potential accumulation while we await further developments. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we anticipate Apple will open lower by approximately 64 cents, starting the day at $243.83. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.